Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube tech guy. Hey guys, so today I have a brand new unboxing to go over for you guys, and this is our giveaway for the month of April, or at least one of them. This is the Meizu Pro 7. Now, this is a smartphone that has a very unique feature that I definitely wanted to talk a lot about on the channel this month, because it really solves the issue of why you need anything on the front of the display. But before we get to that, let's actually talk about this phone. What is this phone? Well, it's a $350 to $450 smartphone, depending on where you get it and what country. But the more important thing is it has a 1080p display, 5.2 inch screen, and it is in Super AMOLED display, so that's really nice. 64 gigs of storage, 4 gigs of RAM, and dual 12 megapixel camera. So pretty well equipped, I would say. Now, let's actually get into what makes this phone so different and unique. Very different kind of presentation, I will say as well. Do I pull it through here? I pull it through here. That's so interesting and different. Never did that before. Okay, so let's peel back and go over why this is so different. And that is because this phone has a display on the back. And now, why is that interesting, or why is it even there? Well, it's so you can actually take selfies with seeing the rear camera. And that is a big point of why I don't think we'll need front-facing cameras in the future, because if you actually just have a rear camera, which is far better than any front-facing camera always, you know, you're gonna be able to actually take better photos. So we're gonna actually test this theory out with this phone and really see what it has to offer here. And then I'm gonna give it away to one of you guys. So while that's turning on, I'm very interested in this brand too, because I've never actually used any phone from them. So that is also pretty interesting. So let's see what it comes with. So it does have a headphone jack too. It's Type-C on the bottom. You have a speaker right there. And looks like that's it, all the basics right here. And it runs Android 7.0 if I'm not mistaken. So we have our power adapter, which is actually a US power adapter, which I am surprised about. And then we have the last piece, which it comes with a little case. That's kind of cool. And the power cable itself, so that's always nice to have. And I'll put this case on right now, just so you can see it. And I do actually have some other cases for it as well that we'll be testing out as we test out my theory on the camera itself. But really interested to see how this kind of does. It did load in right away to a screen, so that's something I'm not used to. What about the whole setting up Android thing? I guess we'll see. I did obviously get it from a different country, so I don't know if this has been used. I'll have to wipe it and play around with it, but yeah, it's very interesting on how it looks. That's Google Home, or no, that's a search. I have no idea about this UI. It looks very different, so I'm gonna see how it goes, operates, and everything with that. 5.2 seems so small now, I will say that just off the top of my head. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. What things do you want me to test out with it? Does it have any kind of, no? Let me see what you guys think. And again, one of the coolest parts about it is, there you go. You can actually take a photo and take it with the rear camera instead of, again, ever having to do a selfie camera. So there you go. So very curious to see how this operates overall. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Thank you as always for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube tech guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.